Hop in. There you go. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Got the purse, dear?
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Let's get going.
Here we go.
Right,
250.
okay.
Okay. Right, I just like using cherry now.
We're going for something to eat. I'm paying half of George's. And I'm paying half.
It's coming out of that purse.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Right, that's too fast. Is that the postie?
Yeah.
Is he coming or going?
Going.
Going.
Did he not come to us? I owe you £13.50.
Yep.
And how much more should I get out? A 20, so that's £35 for the petrol. Yeah.
Yes.
And
Yes.
So you need to get 40 out.
yes, if I get 40,
Yeah,
then that
you
is
get
a
40.
5.
If it's a 5 for...
I will get
Georgie turns. That's pretty good.
Go with your.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Between us, we're
Just going to
sorted.
get out 10. Well, I've only put in £10 in petrol.
You will be giving me.
Oh, I see. The 13.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we need from time to time.
Well, we're sorry. I'll get 10 out and I will use it to.
Petrol.
The petrol. The petrol what? Yeah?
Yeah.
And I will use it for getting my coffee and what's that'll give me a bit of change.
But you have to have more because you've got to put 20 in.
Yes.
I'm going to more 20. Oh, right.
Okay, yeah.
So 10 of that will go on an equal basis.
Well, that's exactly what I'm going to do.
But you said I'll draw out 10.
All right.
And I'll
draw
use
out-
that. I'll use that. You said I'll draw out 10 and I'll use that, you said, for my...
I'll draw out 20.
If we go to the park as near to the cash point as we
Yeah.
can,
Yeah.
then we can get out.
Yeah.
I can get out as well
Yeah.
and draw mine out. You can draw yours out. If you give me the £20,
Yes.
well, you give me £10, I'll draw out what I've got to. I'll take £10 out because that'll be yours.
Yeah.
I also owe you £3.50,
Yeah.
and then we'll go to the petrol station, fill up with petrol,
Yeah.
and then we know all that stuff.
Yeah. That's right. Yeah.
Be lovely.
Which will do till it does, but we've got to go. We're back up and down to.
Yeah, we've got London to go.
Yeah.
Couldn't take that in.
That is true. Hi, oh! Someone to turn
We're
here.
going to Thetford tomorrow.
What's that?
With the reindeer.
Here's the rain, dude.
A reindeer. No, I didn't mean a reindeer like Father Christmas's reindeer. I meant there's the reindeer.
My dear. Come on, my dear.
There's the rain, my dear.
It's a rain, my dear. Oh dear reindeer.
Oh dear. I'm going to have a very small basket.
Yeah.
Well, I can't just sit there.
No.
I can't just sit there like it. Hey, can't just sit there, get stuffed. 10 miles now. 10 miles. Ooh, they should get some petrol until about 5 miles. So, 5 miles. Now 10 miles. 10 miles. 10 miles
Get there
though.
on time. We'll go and get the tickets and everything, and I'll bring that in with me.
Well,
For your ticket.
George and I will stay in the car while you go in, get the tickets, buy them, and then you've got to bring that back, and then we'll all go in and get the popcorn.
Yeah.
How about that?